balcony desperately needed a makeover, so that is what we are going to do. This is my friend's balcony. They weren't really using it. All they had out there was a couple of chairs, so we are giving it a full makeover. First thing we did was get rid of the existing furniture. I just sold it on Marketplace, and then it needed a deep clean. It was very dusty out there. Once we finished cleaning, we were left with this blank slate, and then we were ready to get started. So we went to IKEA and we got these tiles. They are the black Runin tiles. They just click into place. Honestly, it was super easy to install and they look amazing. Look at these beautiful floors. I am obsessed. Then we just put up some lights, so we just used double-sided alien tape to stick it to the wall and then just put a little command clip on top to loop the lights through. It is very simple to do. Now it's time for the fun part, which is the furniture and decorating. So Views Balcony Bar actually sent me their balcony starter kit, which came with this rug and a bar. The cool thing about these bars is they just hook over top of your railing, so you just have to secure it into place and then you're good to go. And then I just got these stools off of Facebook Marketplace, and I found this bench at Walmart and just paired it with some cushions, found this nice little accent chair, finished it off with a palm plant, and this is it all done. It is so beautiful and I love it. Thank you again to Views Balcony Bar for sending me their balcony starter kit. I will have them tagged down below if you guys want to check them out.